Preparation before the installation. Step 1. Install the deadbolt and the strike plate. Measure the backset of your door. Rotate to adjust the deadbolt length. Make sure the side is facing up. Insert the deadbolt into the door. Secure the deadbolt with screws. Step 2. Install the front panel. Route the cable below the deadbolt. Step 3. Install the mounting plate. Route the cable through the hole. Tighten the screws. Step 4. Install the back panel. Adjust to R for a right-handed door. Set to horizontal for a right-handed door. Push the battery cover upward and remove it. Insert the connector into the slot. Attach the back panel to the mounting plate. Secure the back panel with screws. Rotate the thumb. Turn. Press the bottom and twist to expose the keyhole. Turn the key to test if the bolt moves smoothly. Install 4 AA alkaline batteries. Press the reset button for 5 seconds. Slide the cover into place. Installation complete. Download TT Lock to pair the device.